We're now going to look at how to find the equation of a tangent to a curve. A tangent is a line which just touches a curve at a point. Here we can see that we have a curve. At this point here, this straight line just touches the curve, so this is the tangent to the curve at this point. To find the equation of the tangent, we need the coordinates of the point and the gradient of the curve at this point. The gradient of the curve is given by the gradient function dy dx. Suppose we want to find the equation of the tangent to y equals x cubed minus 4x squared at the point where x equals 2. First find the coordinates of the point on the curve. If x equals 2, y will be 2 cubed minus 4 times 2 squared. That's substituting x equals 2 into here, which is 8 take away 16. Giving minus 8. So 2 minus 8 is the point on the curve. Now we need the gradient at this point. Dy dx is the gradient function. Differentiating this gives 3x squared minus 8x. If x is equal to 2, dy dx is 3 times 2 squared. Take away 8 times 2, which is 12 take 16, which is minus 4. So the tangent we want is a straight line with gradient minus 4, which passes through 2 minus 8. We can find the equation of the line either using y equals mx plus c, or y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. Here I'm going to use y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. Remember, m is the gradient, x1 is the x coordinate, and y1 is the y coordinate. So we get y take away minus 8 is equal to minus 4 x take away 2. This gives us y plus 8 is minus 4x plus 8, which simplifies to y equals minus 4x. So this is the equation of our tangent.